Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to send a random welcome message when someone joins the server on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click here. Now click settings, and here you will find overview settings. Click on it, and here as you see you will find send a random welcome message when someone joins the server, and click on it like this, and after this click save, and it should be saved. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. For you. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.